welcome back. And we are out in the shop. I'm in the middle of working on the Nova, fixing the AC system. You should have seen this in the last video. If you haven't, go back and check it out. But today we're gonna get into a little bit something different. Another old, we'll say, but newly acquired hobby. It's kind of weird, but anyway, let me quit jabbering, let's get to it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, so this is what I'm talking about. If you had seen the previous video I did, kind of a unboxing and first ride with my 2020, we'll call it 2020 because it came out in 2020, even though I bought it this year. Anyway, beside the point. So 2020 Schwinn Sting BMX bike, 20-inch wheels. We're gonna do a little upgrade, and I'm gonna put in a little clip here to kind of give you a hint as to what we will be doing today. Okay, if you notice in that clip, I did kind of injure myself. So yeah, we are gonna hopefully fix that problem today. And the problem is these guys. Here is the issue. We got a little bit of metal here. These pedals, it's got metal here. And this part is actually bent right there. And the rest out here is plastic. And it doesn't have many, I don't know if you'd say knobs or whatever you want to call these, for your foot to grip. So we're going to change those out. We're going to go with something else today. Because on my PK Ripper, I do have a PK Ripper now. I don't know if I've mentioned that on the channel, probably in my live stream. But anyway, I do have a PK Ripper. Probably do a video on that later on. But the pedals on that are more like the ones that we're going to put on here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so here are the pedals. If you can see, they are quite a bit larger, and throughout the pedal you have these nubs here. Now, I've mentioned my PK Ripper, and those pedals are set up more like this. They are aluminum with, actually, you can change out the nubs. They're like little set screws. But anyway, those have a lot of grip on them. I find myself sometimes not being able to pull my foot off the pedal, at least quickly. But anyway, I need something on this bike to prevent what happened last time. So, you know, I might get into doing a little bit of, you know, tricks here and there, bunny hops, nothing, you know, too crazy, but I need grip, man. So let me get these pedals on, and we'll take it for a ride and see what it feels like. All right, y'all, so we got the pedals changed out. Here's one of the old ones here. Let me do a little size comparison for you side by side. Look at that, a lot bigger pedal. Hopefully offer a lot more grip. Now these are the ODYSSEY Twisted PC Pedal. These are 9/16. So from what I understand, I really didn't know this, but 3-piece cranks, which this is your crank here. 3-piece, meaning there's 3 pieces to it. Those will have a 9/16 thread. 1-piece crank, which is all one piece, is going to have 1/2 inch from what I've gathered. So on this bike, it's got 3-piece, so this gets the 9/16 thread. And like I said, this is the ODYSSEY Twisted PC pedals. They're actually plastic. Not exactly sure what type of plastic, but they are plastic type material, and they got really good reviews on Amazon. So I figured give them a shot. They're pretty cheap, not very expensive at all. So figured I'd try them out and see how it goes. Size wise, they're a lot bigger, so that may help. So let's give her a test drive or test ride and see how it does. They do feel a lot better. Size is one of the biggest help, I think, because I'm a full-size adult, so bigger feet. So give her another spin. Alright, so there we go, man. I really like these pedals. Huge difference. They do grip your shoe a whole lot better. The size is way better than the pedals that came on the bike. So really happy I bought these pedals. Because I don't need to be slipping off the pedals no more. Too old for that. Probably too old for this bike and this hobby altogether, but who cares, man. I'm enjoying it, so it's going to be cool. We're going to get into a little bit more of this stuff. If you like this kind of content, man, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. That way I know who does and who doesn't. I'm going to obviously keep the car content coming. That is the main focus of this channel, but I do have other interests and other hobbies, so I do want to bring that as well. Maybe bring some diversity to the channel, but we'll see. But anyway, hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we'll see you on the next one.